Good day, everyone. Learn how to fix missing or unresponsive start menu, especially when the task manager is missing. Taskbar is not there, I'm sorry, and you have a unresponsive start menu. We can fix it by only very few simple steps, and I'm sure once it is done, you will definitely love it, and this will not come back again. So the very first thing here, we need to look at the keyboard and press Control Shift and Escape together to open the task manager. You can also press Control Alt Delete and then open the task manager. So you can do that. Control Shift and Escape, which is the best one. Now, once this is done, you need to click on this Run New Task, and I'll tell you why we need to do that. And do a check mark on this Create this task with administrative privileges, and here we will type CMD and we will click on OK. And here we need to type SFC space / scan now. I'll maximize it so that we can type it. So this will actually repair your computer and fix the issues if there are any corruption. You can hit enter and let the scan happen. While this scan is happening, what you can do is you can simply close this window and then go to the Processes tab and look for the Windows Explorer, do a right click and click on Restart under Processes tab. Now, once you have restarted the Windows Explorer, now we have the screen. I'll close that. And now we have the task bar. Um, and here we will do a right click on that and we will go to Terminal Admin. All right. Please make sure you only click on Terminal Admin and it will ask you to say yes. And here I'll mention a command, Get-AppXPackage, like that. You just need to paste it and we just need to hit enter. And this will fix all kinds of start menus issues are there. And if it's unresponsive and if any issues are there, this will fix it for you. And once this is done, you need to restart the computer and this issue will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.